Ah, would you look at this, everybody? There it is, 26,543, the latest all-time high since forever. Wow, what is going on, everybody, and welcome back. Everybody right now should be super excited, man. Wow. A breaking news that is absolutely and of course sending the price to new levels. Everybody right now waking up and letting it rise. Amazing. Morning, everybody. Cronos, LUNC, Shiba Inu, and the rest doing really, really well. And as you probably can tell, had a great night last night, great night's sleep, but waking up already and doing it, man. This to me is one of the greatest indicators to finally say, yep, I think we have seen the bottom of Bitcoin, because with the banks collapsing, we are still putting these numbers. I think, yeah, absolutely, we are gonna be fine eventually, and I'm very, very excited. What is going on, everybody, and welcome back. Morning. Exciting times, man. This is what we're talking about. Exactly this. Woof. CPI data coming at 6%, forecasted yesterday, meaning it is exactly what everybody was expecting. The 6%, that's what the analyst wanted, meaning pump for Bitcoin, pump for crypto, and it happened. So what's next, fam? With this 6%, there are chances that the Fed won't increase interest rates by a lot this coming FOMC, and it's gonna bring the economy to much better places. And 26,000, what we just saw right now, is the beginning of 30,000 Bitcoin, the beginning of 10 cents Cronos, the beginning of higher prices for Shiba Inu, and it's all gonna make more sense. Morning, everybody. What is going on? And welcome back. Go ahead and smash the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Why don't we go ahead and do some analysis and some great stuff here, because here it is. United States Consumer Price Index, we're looking at an actual of 6%, forecasted 6%, previous 6.4%. So that already tells me everything, although high enough still, we're coming lower, and this is perfect. We're seeing Bitcoin trending. We're seeing everything trending now. 1.13 trillion. Great stuff. Because a lot of people are now waking up. Obviously, the prices are selling a little bit because everyone now is getting the news that it's pumping, so people are catching up, but it's still totally fine. It will not go back to 20s or so. It just has to consolidate for a while, but I love it, man. We're breaking. This is amazing, brothers and sisters. That is awesome. I woke up and said, morning, fam. Here it is. 6% CPI, buddy. Boom. As the first thing that comes to mind, guys, bear market over. Is the bear over? Well, looking at what the prices are, it does seem like, what else do we need, right? Delicious water. Great stuff, man. This bear market, man. Look at this. BNB Bitcoin 16% Bitcoin is really doing fantastic. And one of the reasons I believe Bitcoin is doing much better than altcoins is because finally it's starting to be used as that secondary source of store of value, and people are starting to think, hey, you know what, I think Bitcoin is going to be my place to go, especially for all those thousands of people who now are considering something else, right? Welcome, Soto. Mark, happy to have you here in the house. Yeah, that is what the crash did. Helped us understand that Bitcoin was much better than banks. That's what happened. And we appreciate that a lot, man. Exactly that. I think a lot of people are gonna be looking forward to more crypto, and that's what I like, fam. I think it all came down to a much better situation for us as the crypto community, because anyone thought possible a bank run would have happened. No one wanted that to happen. The banks, the Fed, FDIC, and the president, and it occurred, meaning now millions of people are now looking at other different opportunities and not trusting the banking system, although the government says, trust us, please. The government says, look, please don't leave us, don't leave the banks, don't leave fiat. But one of the reasons that we are exploding, guys, is inevitably people are saying, no, we're not going to continue trusting the banking system 100%. We got to look for something else, and this is what's going on. Luis, what's going on, brother? Welcome back. Good morning, fam. This is incredible. Breaking news, everybody. 6% CPI. Exactly what we want to talk about. And breaking, crypto exploding. Wow. Bitcoin and everything just doing fantastic, man. When Lambo. So super exciting, guys, that Bitcoin is doing this. Cronos. We were right here yesterday, right here around these levels. Now we are looking at 1222. Now, also, just look at how prices are moving. Before we wake up, I mean, for me, right? A lot of you are already up. The prices run. Once we are awake, they consolidate. So, and it's happening every single time. This here, like right here happening in the afternoon, right here happening in the morning, right here is happening in the morning, right? So chances are for the rest of today, we're going to see more consolidation. But still, I mean, if we are increasing in this frequency, I'm still taking it, right? Welcome aboard, everybody. What is going on? Welcome. Good morning. I still have my morning voice. I saw the prices and I'm like, well, I believe a lot of people know what this is happening. I made a video yesterday night explaining the CPI data because everybody was expecting, right, a very good CPI data. And the reason why, everybody, is because the Federal Reserve wouldn't have cut a check of billions of dollars to save banks if it wasn't for a great CPI, right? I'm sure that the CPI was available. That's what people are saying. But if not, it's still fine. It all makes sense, right? It is not looking like a dead cat bounce because it already passed from 20 to 26. And I'm just liking the way it's looking, because if you think about the rainbow chart, you think about the everything, like all the averages, it all points out to we touched the bottom. Now it's gonna be difficult to go from right here all the way to $100,000. But first, we have to go from here to 30s and 40s. We're not seeing go lower than 20, and that is powerful, everybody. Everything starts to make sense, right? I cannot tell you with preciseness we are 100% out of the bear market, but by looking at the data and everything that's going on, fam, how in the world we have a bank run, how we have a bank failure. How many times has Bitcoin failed? Exactly. And that is what people are realizing right now. Crypto altcoins, on the other hand, fail a lot. Yes, they do. But Bitcoin, I know Bitcoin is not what we hold the most, right? Maybe you hold an altcoin the most. That's totally fine, family. The point of the story is Bitcoin or Shiba Inu, right? Because Shiba Inu, can you believe it? Give me some fire emoji, Shiba Inu. Let's go. Whichever of the two does the best, whichever of the two attracts the users, that's gonna be it. And I'm excited because this, guys, bottom line for what I see is gonna create the next bull season that's coming soon in 2024. I'm still not already saying it this year. I don't want it to come this year because I want more positions to come on my way. You know what I'm saying? You want to be prepared for a life transformation in 2024. That's what we all want because 2024 is Bitcoin halving. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome, welcome, fam. There's my fam. Yep, I'm awake. I just woke up like less than 10 minutes ago. See the prices, see some friends live, and I'm like, let's go live once again. Let's talk with the family. I'm so happy that you're back here. If you like the most, then more people will come on board and we're gonna have more fun. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Emily, happy to have you here. Emily, let's go. Let's go ahead and pin that one. Happy to see you. Happy to see all my members, to all my subscribers here. We're talking what in the world is going on for sure. Excited, man. Shiba Inu looking sexy, obviously. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We're approaching this level for Shiba Inu. Bone as well, doing nice. Ethereum crushing it too. Cronos crushing it too. I haven't even opened Tectonic because I just did this super fast. What effect will the recent CPI number have on crypto? Well, I think everybody knows what effect because of the price right now that we're having. Yep. The collapse of SVB shows the Federal Reserve was asleep at the regulatory wheel, but the US Central Bank had already the power to increase supervision. A lot of people buying Bitcoin, family. A lot of people buying Bitcoin and Cronos and the good different altcoins. The idea, fam, is why are we doing this? Because it comes to a point in the future when we're definitely not gonna be storing our money and our wealth in fiat. Just for a while, we may change it to fiat to continue participating in this system here in the United States. But eventually in the world, we're gonna be using more the digital assets that we have. And by looking at the next bull season, I'm pretty sure I can forecast that the United States will release a CBDC, right? A Federal Reserve issues stablecoin that they're going to be trying to conversely use with the dollar because otherwise they're going to be falling behind. And I'm sure they're not going to want to fall behind because they want more control. They want more control for the banking system, for the government. It is what it is, guys, but be ready, right? I think today or this last week, everybody was aware, guys, the fragility of some stable coins, but Bitcoin continued to perform strong. Although volatile, I think everybody is cheering up for a much better Bitcoin, right? Decentralized, that's the way to go. What's going on, Gustavo? Welcome, welcome, guys. Happy to have you here in the house. Nice. Breaking news, everybody. 6%. 6 delicious percent. CPI 6%. Inflation. Excited. It is good, guys. That's what we want to see. And once we come here to, gotta open the fear and greed index, and I'm gonna go ahead and open to the rainbow chart. I think we're already at buy. Let me see. Accumulate. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. Would you look at this nice retracement? There you go. Right there. It's right there. We were heading to the basically reversal, but with an immediate change in pace of everything. Now we're looking like that. You see, this is crypto. It moves very, very fast. Love it. Now, for the real party starts here. So let's go ahead and bring our charts here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. So the idea and my proposition is, okay, we're gonna be in a couple of levels. Which levels? Well, I don't think we're gonna be passing the all-time high of Bitcoin in 2023. I don't think so. It wouldn't make much more sense, but Bitcoin can always surprise us, right? The all-time level is roughly right here because we're looking at 60. What was this? Yeah, about $69,000 Bitcoin, something like that. So we're looking roughly at a possible 50, 60 and the still cheap category, meaning I think somewhere around these lines, everybody, right here. That's where we're looking, passing 2024. That's what I believe. It's very educative to think about. Minimum in the buy category, which at the end of the year will be $28,000 to $30,000 to $40,000. Minimum $40,000, $35,000 sounds really very, very important. Accurate, I will say it. But in the 30s and 50s, I think we should be looking at very, very nice. That's my prediction for how to end the year. Bitcoin maybe possibly at 1.5x will be exciting. Ooh, look at this one, guys. Greed. Welcome to the greed. As always, you buy the fear, you sell the greed. You buy the fear, you sell the greed. You do what's best for you, right? But now, let me rephrase that. We are not yet on maximum greed, right? We are not on maximum greed. This is not the bull market. I believe the bottom, I think it's already reached. Why would we go lower now? Why? I don't see any other crypto firm, like call it Celsius, FTX, or I don't see them collapsing now. They already survived the bear market. I know the bear is not over, but why will they go under? That to me doesn't make any sense right now. They would have already said it. Or let's say we have one more, but Bitcoin will not collapse. On the other hand, now we're seeing the banks go under, right? Because of the FTX contagion and the federal funds rate going up. So the Fed doesn't want more banks going under, meaning they're not incentivized to raise the taxes. I'm going to say it once again. They've been raising the taxes or raising the rate a lot because they want inflation to go under. But if they continue doing it, more banks will collapse. Then they're in this place of, if we don't raise taxes, there's going to be an industry who was going to be exploding, and that is crypto. And although Charlie Munger and all those garbage people not believing in crypto will eat their words. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Happy to have you back. Welcome aboard. I hope this is making sense, right? And I have my morning voice, guys. I'm still not at my 100%, but I'm trying my best because I'm putting to you basically the best we got so far, and it's all. I think everybody really understands when we are in this position of, okay, where the market is going next, right? And I think this is a beautiful trend to the place of $30,000 and $40,000. And I'm excited, man. People are gonna be buying a lot. People are gonna be selling a lot. There's gonna be a lot of sell-offs, a lot of opportunities, guys, where we're gonna be able to rise. Smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Let more people coming in the house. Welcome aboard. Happy to have you here. Tonic is doing good. That's exactly what we like to see. Yes. Christian General, happy to have you here in the house. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Emily. Appreciate that a lot. Love the channel. Keep it up. Could you touch on Shiba a little bit? Of course. We're analyzing everything. I'm going to delete this one. Consolidation was broken. This is the 1 hour. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 hours of consolidation. Basically yesterday. Now we have 1 to 3 hours of pump, which is translated to another beautiful 6% for Bitcoin to rise, which is really, really good. Well, in reality, it was 9% of Bitcoin to rise, which is amazing. The 25K goal, we're still here. We're holding that very strong. We're holding that. Consolidation ended. Now, Cronos and Shiba Inu fam. Where is the Cronos family this morning? What's going on, guys? Welcome, welcome. Oh, baby. I like what I'm seeing, everybody. A lot of my audience, we like the Cronos, the Tectonic, the Shiba Inu. We're looking at the latest news and looking at everything. And well, exactly having high price in Bitcoin and in Cronos allows for DeFi to work. Allows for DeFi to work. And DeFi is what matters right now, especially for Shibarium. Welcome, Carney. Happy to see you. So in this case, we're approaching that 8 cents once again. We remember that crypto.com, let's go to the 4 hours here. Look at this bottom right that we created. Thus far, 22% or so, which is insane. For a lot of traders or long term, if you're buying the bottom right here at 6 cents, nice retracements. We're still out of these 9 cents, but we're heading that way. We're heading that way for Cronos. We're back to this consolidation level we put. Gotta close this. We put this one at 10 a.m. yesterday. So just to give you an idea how fast it moves, this is Cronos, fam. Let's go ahead and put the Cronos emoji right here. If you're a member, send me the Cronos. Let's get excited here, fam. Let's get excited. Let's see. Which one? Always asking which one for sure. Tectonic. Then we have, of course, our Shiba Inu and our Bitcoin. Send it. Cronos strong. And we got more breaking news today early on Cronos, which is great. I'll go ahead and keep you updated with the latest ones as we continue today, fam, for sure. Here's the deal. Let's go ahead and get to business quickly. Now that crypto is rallying, now that Bitcoin is being proven and coming back, you know who's going to be making a lot of money? You guessed it, the crypto exchanges. When Bitcoin and crypto rallies, the organizations that make the most money are exchanges because they're providing the places to buy and sell. Therefore, we're going to see new exchanges coming in promising everything. No fees, secure, and yada yada. Be careful. That's the only thing I'm going to tell you because I think we've learned from 2021 how many exchanges rise, but in the bad times they die. My opinion is I'm going to stay with the ones that I trust. I'm going to stay with the ones that I believe, that I think work well. Crypto.com, Coinbase, and Binance. If I had Binance, I don't have Binance because I cannot. I'm in Texas. But Crypto.com, Coinbase, KuCoin, and that's it. That will be a good recommendation, right? Because yes, the prices are gonna rally, but you're gonna hear a lot of it, right? So know that. Also, it also allows these crypto exchanges to be more proactive, more innovative, more bullish. And we want crypto exchanges to be fine and secure and keep our funds safe. I like what happened in 2022 because it allowed for a lot of crypto exchanges to stay on their toes. We cannot let them just promise and not show evidence. In 2022, Binance, Crypto.com, and many exchanges showed us their proof of reserves. Some of them did it completely, some of them did not. So these are questions that we have to keep in our head once we are now approaching a bull market. Right now, I'm saying the bear market seems to be over. The next is going to be a rally consolidation, not the bull market. Listen, the bull market is not here. This is not the bull market. You might wake up as a new investor and say, dude, we are back. We're not in the bull market. And this is nothing, right? This is absolutely nothing. What this is finally good news for the CPI. Great news that people are buying Bitcoin instead of putting it in fiat. And now people are realizing, wow, so should I do crypto? And more millions of people are not considering coming back to crypto. That's what it means. The bull market is going to leave us all with our pants off. Easily, guys, with our pants off. We're just going to see it. We're not going to believe it. And that's soon. But in all, I'm happy that a lot of exchanges will make money. And if you want to join some, take a look at the links down below. They do help the channel. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome aboard. We got 200 people watching. Let's go ahead and get to 100 likes if you so desire. So more fam comes on board. We're happy, excited. It's early in the morning. Why don't we go ahead and get it up and running, baby? I'm getting hot right here. Yes, I'm going to pin this comment performance. You're right. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much to my fam, to my community right here. This is 100% accumulation period. Yes, it is. Yes, it is for Shiba Inu. Look at Shiba Inu. Where are all my Shiba Inu powerful and beautiful holders in the house? Who is ready for some Shiba Inu Shibarium? Boom! There it is. I'm sending the emojis. If you want to send emojis, become a member, support the channel, and I'm going to give you a shout out right here because I got the alerts on. Oh, baby, we want to see the 26,000 once again. As always, as we know, when we wake up, then the prices start to sideways trade a little bit. It is what it is. Shiba Inu and Tectonic. Love to hear that, everybody. Welcome aboard. We're getting excited. We're getting ready. And this is why we're doing it. Look at this one. Look at this one. There it is. There it is. Welcome. The Rock and I approve. CPI data. Delicious CPI data. 6%. 6%. There you go, Emily. Happy to see you all in the house. Let's go. Is it me or does this pump have a different fitting to kill it like to the moon? It does. This pump, this breaking news, right? It just confirms everything. Confirms everything. More burns, more people getting excited. Just the beginning of really where we're heading for the rest of 2023. This is the very beginning of all of the time we accumulated. In 2022, we accumulated and accumulated and accumulated, and we saw our prices and positions getting destroyed and slashed in more piece of garbage news from terrible CEOs and broken companies, and they were doing stupid decisions with our money. People lost money. People killed themselves. Suicides happened. It was just massive meltdown in 2022. But I hope that some of those people are still here with us to finally see a comeback, because the bull market ended in 2021, November 2021. So ever since, we've just been having news that really don't help too much the long-term investors. Traders are making money, and anyone with experience is also making money by buying some special tokens in on the way and flipping them, buying and selling and cashing out for profits. But the longs, we are waiting still for our payback. We're waiting for payback. And which I want to get 100,000 Crow easily, right? And my Ethereum, my Bitcoin, my Shiba Inu, and all of those tokens will make sense very soon. Oh, yes. Welcome, welcome, everybody. That's what I can tell you, fam. It all makes sense. It all makes sense, guys. Yeah, CPI data, it's out 6%, 6%, and we're seeing all the prices right here. Waking up, people. They're looking at everything. They're cashing out some. They're adding more. This is what we want to see. From the previous charts and the previous performance of Bitcoin, wouldn't be surprised if we have some consolidation right here. We may also have some retracements along the way. Now the current support that we have in the 1 day will be this one at around $24,000. So first support, we're going to add here. Well, now this is actually first support. And then we are going to add second support right here. So if you want to trade it, now you know what levels you got to look at, right? So this is Bitcoin, everybody. First and second support at 24, at 23. This is put out yesterday. So we are still here, everybody. Consolidation, consolidation. There it is. Oh, baby, that chart looks nice. Yep. This is everything, guys. This is everything for sure. So, oh, baby, I want to go ahead and fix this one right now. I'm going to move this one here, and I'm going to go back here. There you go. The prices are looking sexy, everybody, and that's exactly what we want. Let's go ahead and get the news. More pump. CC waking up and saying, Bitcoin. You love to see it, man. You love to see it. Here it is. Here it is, everybody. Great to see Matthew posting. Great to see inflation decrease for 8 straight months. This is an extremely bullish end for the crypto markets. So let's go ahead and bring the marker. This one was the top for inflation. That was June 2022. Obviously, these months were the crash. We're looking at the crash for Bitcoin. We're looking at sad levels for the crypto market, and a lot of people with fear. Exactly the time when you and I went hard on Bitcoin and we were buying those positions, right? But starting July, October, September, we started to see the trend, and I think everybody's seeing it now. There's no really anything to believe that inflation is going to go higher unless the Fed continues printing more money. And according to what they announced yesterday, this $25 billion cut check given to the banking system was already out, and it's not going to be coming at the expense of taxpayers, which makes sense, and I like it. So it's important to analyze those things, guys, for me, for you guys to know, because we don't want it to go, of course. We don't want it to rise and keep our interest rates high. That's for sure. Crow, Tectonic, Shiba Inu, Bone, Doge, Loan, and everyone. Let's go. Love to see this one. Excited, man. This is what we're here for. The pumps. Come on, everybody. Give me 26,000. Give me 26,000. Breaking news are here. CPI in 5 minutes. No, like people, of course, woke up super early. Oh, yes. The bull market smells. Guys, we also have to speak about this one. We also have to speak about the. Look at this clown. Look at this clown, bro. What did he say yesterday? Can anybody in the chat post what he said recently about Bitcoin? I'm gonna see who knows right now. Can somebody post in the chat what Jim Cramer said to do with our Bitcoin? Go. I want to see it. Who knows? Because it infuriates a lot of people, man. It is pathetic. Who can tell me what did he say? Lisa is the first one. There you go. Yep, there it is. Sell your Bitcoin. He said, sell your Bitcoin. It is what it is, guys. Are we gonna sell our Bitcoin? Of course not. And that's the Kramer effect too. Do the opposite, and there it is. So, thank you, Kramer. Appreciate it. I know you know a lot, but man, your calls have been very weird recently. It is pretty pathetic, everybody. But we're here moving forward. Moving forward for everybody here in the chat. Welcome aboard. Coming close to the 26,000 once again. So now, because I just love to see this view. Now from here to here, we're looking at 2.36%. So something delicious, something nice that can be done once again. And the breaking news are on us. And I'm excited to see it, everybody. 25K goal. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the next goals for Bitcoin, right? So next goals for Bitcoin, we're looking at $30,000. There it is. So we passed the 20s, the early 20s. Now we're heading into the late 20s. Now, the reason why I'm speaking the $30,000 is because of the following. Here it is. Now, this is going to blow your pants off. Ready? When was the last time we had this level for Bitcoin? When was the last time this price Bitcoin we're seeing it? Last time it was June 2022. The last time Bitcoin was at the level we are right now was June 2022. Yep. We are getting out. As fast as we went down to the pits of hell, we're coming out. And it was June still when we were at $30,000. Just to give you an idea, June 2022, massive collapse from 30s consolidation all the way to 15,000. Because of the CPI was huge, because already Terra Luna and everything collapsing. That's coming back up. So if I were you, accumulate, baby, because this is barely starting. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome aboard to the Oscar Ramos Live. Already here for a while, and we're still looking good. And 26,000 Bitcoin is once again on the board. You never sell your Bitcoin. Michael, let's go ahead and pin that for us. Never waste my time on that clown. I mean, it is what it is, Potty, for sure. Which one? Shiba Inu with 50%, still rising strong. Second place, we have Cronos with 212 votes. Loving it, man. Happy to see everybody here. So, you guys, this is amazing, man. Look at this. Look at this. Sharp like an nail. Look, it's amazing. Since June last year, we've been here. And I want to show you, like, look at all the destruction we've had. The bottoms of Bitcoin, guys. At 16, at 19, the pumps, the dumps, the pumps once again. Wow, man. Bitcoin is the key, guys, and we're looking really nice. And now the next levels for us will be this one. Oh, absolutely. This was made through June. This is the next level to beat right here. So for us, I'm going to move this arrow. For us, right here at $30,000 is where we're heading next. If you want to know exactly all those levels, well, just look at, I have the Fibonacci retracement, and then I also have the lines of all the important resistances and supports that we have created. And it's all making sense right now. Shiba Inu, fam, is going higher to the next level too. And Cronos as well with tectonic. We're seeing it happen. Now, you see this 32,000? That, my friends, is the 61% retracement on the Fibonacci. That is next level. Because I want to know when we're really going to go there, because that was May. Meaning, check this out. We are in March. We got April, May, 2 months. If in 2 months, the price of Bitcoin goes back to the 30s, it means that it took 1 year to go back to the price that we lost a year ago. 1 year. If you didn't get into an accumulation period in that 1 year, you basically wasted your time or you panicked a lot. It's okay. It's okay. You have to understand, fam, opportunities like these don't come too often. And roughly, a bear market lasts a year or so. This, it's everything I needed to know to call that was our bear market. Since the beginning of the crashes in May 2022 with Terra Luna, all the way to FTX, all the way to more Celsius, BlockFi, 3 Hours Capital, Genesis Trading, all the banks, everything happened for Bitcoin to crash, to be out, to this, to be completely done, the end. Goodbye, Bitcoin, goodbye, crypto. Didn't happen. You know what that means, right? I told you many times, the comeback, the bull market is gonna leave your pants off. You really wanna be here to believe it, to see it. And we're going that way. And I couldn't be more excited, everybody. Welcome aboard. Couldn't be more excited for this one. The day is here, and we're hitting that pad at $26,000, fam. Let's go back to the 1 hour right here. Let's go back to the levels that we have, because, oh man, now you know. There it is. Now you know, fam. Have lots of Shiba, but I'm interested in thoughts on Tectonic, which was the first one I ever bought. Shiba Inu, well, Bone is the one that is going to be pushing harder on DeFi. Shiba Inu is going to do it. It can do it without even Shibarium, actually. But Cronos chain and all the tokens in Cronos chain will be pumping hard as the Bitcoin halving approaches, because the price will going to rise, right? So it is exciting. This is really what it all makes sense when we call a Bitcoin bull market. What's your Bone and Shiba Inu term prediction? Realistically speaking, I already mentioned that, but of course I'm gonna say it again. Looking at $3 bone, I think first reaching that level would make a lot of sense because we're looking at a 2x. So I think that's important. Like I'm saying, first we need to see a Bitcoin bull market, in my opinion. That's what a lot of people are gonna be buying right now, and later an altcoin season. The altcoin season comes when the confidence is back in crypto and when the bull market is inevitable. Absolutely inevitable. When the altcoin season comes, it gets very good. It gets very good. It gets very good. Now, let me ask a question here with a poll. First and foremost, with 255 votes, Shiba Inu once again wins, man. Great job, everybody. Great job for Shiba Inu. Question: have you experienced a bull market? That is a great question, guys, because it's going to tell me how many of us are from 2021. Go ahead and send it, everybody. Have you experienced what a bull market is? Whew. Exciting. Going higher, everybody. Going higher at 26,000 G's. Send it. Let everybody be in the house, everybody. Smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you right here. We got everyone in the house. Let's go. Woo! Typically, when I wake up, I got some allergies. So, but I'm muting my mic. Exciting, everybody. This is what we're here for. Millions burned today. Head and shoulders on Bitcoin. Broke next up 32,000. Bam. Rick. Welcome, everybody. Happy to see you in the house. Well, crypto for ya. First day. Great news with the CPI data at 6%. Great news with the CPI data at 6%. Making everything go much smoother. Now, let's go ahead and take a look now to a different view for Bitcoin at the 5 minutes. Now, here's the 5 minutes. And from what I'm seeing it kind of looks like a bull pennant, to be honest with you. Yep. It does look like a bull pennant to me, meaning that it can rise even higher. So that is what we're calling it right now. A lot of people have never experienced a bull market. Wow. That tells you a lot, everyone, of the people that are here and the exciting times ahead, because we all want to see that bull market rise. Oh, yes. We want. Everyone wants to see it, guys. And I think we're going to be excited for the upcoming times. Bitcoin, Binance still to deploy on Bitcoin Ethereum net. Oof. Great news coming up for that. Oof. Look at this. I believe we're still waiting on BUSD. The funny part is that CC has not even deployed this money. I believe, what is that? $1 billion of BUSD. Man, that's nice. That is absolutely nice, guys. We're seeing the prices. We're seeing the prices. I'm liking the Merit Life, Rick. Thank you for asking. I appreciate your question. It's been great. It's been fantastic for sure. A lot of people have not. We have a neck-and-neck competition. Answer the poll if you might. Have you experienced a bull market? If not, well, let me know right now. I'd love to see it. Finally, the wait is over. It is over, bro. I think we are really reaching the levels of finally Bitcoin and crypto moving forward. Oh, easy. Check this out. Cointelegraph, 430 votes, and there's a lot of people talking about where do you think Bitcoin will go? I think up to 30,000 now. I mean, first 30,000 and then 40,000 for sure, right? But we're not going down to zero. Nah, Zero, of course, no. It's not going to happen right now. It's not going to happen right now. That's my prediction. That's what I think, fam. We're now strong and ready. I've been in stocks on crypto since March 2021, and I'm only $30,000. So my grand total value is about 6,000. Oof, yippee! Yep, it means that you went hard in the bull market and you got destroyed, and you're still holding, man. That's respected. That's respected. That's really good. I also got. I think I at this point I already got six figures in the market, in the crypto market. I initially started putting $5,000 in all the positions that I wanted. Started with $5,000 on Cardano, $5,000 on Algorand, $5,000 on AMP token, $5,000 on Ethereum, on Bitcoin. I put $5,000 everywhere. I was fine with that amount for me. I thought it was a great amount. Because if you 2x $5,000, that's $10,000, and who doesn't like $10,000, right? So, but what happened is that I bought not knowing much of this of the cycle, and we were ending the bull market. Meaning, what was coming was a time of accumulation and a lot of fear. So that is what we're going right now, and well, finally, I think we're seeing the end of the tunnel of the bear season, and that's when you want to put those $5,000 right now. And I think I've been doing so in positions like Cronos a lot, Ethereum a lot, and I'm preparing myself now for what's ahead. I'm preparing for what's ahead. Oh no, Emily, we don't want to go to 3,000. Oh boy, no. I'm just kidding, Emily. We're just messing with you. Thank you very much, Chris. Appreciate that a lot. Matic is gonna have a lot of competition, Chris, because of Shiba Inu, because of Arbitrum, Optimism. So Polygon Matic is doing great because it has so many partnerships with the technology sector. So it's going to be fine. It's going to be fine, of course. But it's, of course, as by the same token, right now with the bull market, we're going to have way more change coming up. So get ready. Get ready for this. A lot of people, more than 50% of my 100 votes, do not haven't seen a bull season. Wow. Well, let me just give you a preview to that. A bull cycle, it's non-stop. I think that's one way of describing it. You wake up one day and you see a 10% pump. Then the next day, another 10% pump. And the next day, a 5% pump. Then the next day, maybe a cash out, some consolidation. And then 10 pump, 15 pump. And that is just for the big blue chips. Not talking about the crazy altcoins that do magical things. So it just never stops, right? And great news come out, new companies come out, announcements come out. So it just gets to a point of what is going on. And it comes to a level where everyone is just excited, and then the millions come to buy Bitcoin. That's what happens. It is what happens. You never experience a bull market. I have bought all projects, 95. Yes, you have everything destroyed in all Cronos, 9 projects, and put a lot of money. Yeah, because a lot of people just come with the idea that it's just going to keep, that the dips are not going to keep dipping. And that's why I was holding my money a lot until the time, right? I know a lot of people are very down and they don't even want to talk about crypto at family gatherings. I know, we've been all there before. But it's gonna take a much better spin as we're moving forward right now with Bitcoin and everything. Shiba Inu, look at Shiba Inu, look at Cronos right now. Exciting times for us. And let me go ahead and open the tectonic army here. I still have my Bitcoin rainbow chart. Everything's looking sexy right here. Oh man. Bitcoin, Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor is doing it. Predict how the stock market will react to today's CPI inflation at 6%. Everybody, 6%. So here it is. Let's go ahead and open this one because this is tectonic in the 1 day. Let's go 4 hours. Sometimes it does this and I have to, oh baby, there you go. There it is, finally. Here's tectonic, everybody. To all my tectonic Cronos chain fam, good news, guys. Tectonic is the one that is putting some of the nice numbers, and when you put it, when you go ahead and expand Cronos chain, is still the leader when it comes to price. So I'm excited for it. Excited for all the price levels. And Shiba Inu, look at that Shiba Inu, man. You have 31 stocks and 16 cryptos, and yes, very good calls. I'm still holding firm. Great job for you, brother. Great job for you. That's the idea. All right. So far, the nose win, and a lot of people haven't seen a bull season. Well, get ready. We're still in the bear market. We're still in the bear market. That's, I believe, we'll have to change it to the end of the bear market or already end of the bottom. We still can have some retracements, right? But I think Bitcoin has been resilient and strong, and we're going to be looking very sexy as we continue. Bull pennant forming in the 5-minute chart, meaning that we're going to be heading this way according to my expectations. So it's coming. It's coming slowly, guys. I think we're going to do something like that. I'm predicting this. That's the bull pennant that I was waiting for yesterday. It didn't come up until right now. Love to see all those cryptos and all those opportunities, fam, that you've been taking the opportunity. Love it. And almost a 1 hour. Exciting times. There comes again the $26,000. There comes again the $26,000. Oh, yes. Here it comes. Come on, baby. I know you want to pop. Now, the next level for crypto.com will be go back to the price we had on March the 1st, which we're looking at 8 cents, right? 8 cents is what we were looking at for a while. So it has to go through it really, really fast for Shiba Inu too, and for Bitcoin as well. My family, the crypto fam watching, go ahead and smash the like button before you leave. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. Of course, really amazing times that we have ahead for us. The prices of crypto are going to continue rising. The prices of crypto are going to continue doing what they know, and that is give us the opportunities that we want to have financial freedom. That's what it is. And I couldn't be more happy because we've been buying the dip and it's been difficult. It's been very difficult, but finally it's here. LUNC, of course. We got LUNC right here in the house too. Terra Luna Classic. Going back to the levels of the 8, it went down a lot. So it's approaching the 78% retracement on the Fibonacci level. Still one of the cryptocurrencies that needs to do a little bit better. But Terra Luna Classic, it's holding strong. It's holding well and moving forward. Love to see that, brothers and sisters. Love to see that. Yep, the bear market will be over soon. I think so, guys. I think so. And I think the next one will be bull cycle. We're heading that way. We're heading that way. Very strong. And, well, I think just be ready. Be prepared. Because once we have that bull cycle, and we go from, what do you like, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s. I think at 60,000, we're going to be where we were supposed to be, right? Many, many years ago, back to 2021. At 60,000 Bitcoin, metaverse is going to make sense. DeFi is gonna make sense. The CPI is gonna be low, right? The inflation is gonna be going back to tame. We're not gonna have a perfect market. I'm taking that from the equation. We're always gonna have something wrong with the economy, wrong with crypto, wrong with banks, wrong with stocks. We're always gonna have that. It's never like, oh, everything's gonna be perfect and we're gonna pump. No. So get ready for what's ahead. A market wherein billions are deploying crypto and a lot of people are extremely excited for the innovation, right? The value that people are going to be getting from it. And I already putting my money. So once the time comes, we see that baby go all the way to the moon. I love it, everybody. And Shiba Inu with Ethereum is going to be something to see for sure. Cronos chain as well. And well, the rest of the tokens, because there's so many to choose from, everybody. That's a fact. Well, family, thank you very much for coming in the house. It's time for me to leave. That's the 1 hour. Always like to keep it in the 1 hour time frame. I just couldn't be happier. We got a lot of things to do today. We got a lot of great news, and let's go ahead and compartmentalize for the rest of the people. Before you leave us in the comments what you guys think. Check the links down below if you want to support the channel. Let me know in the comments or Twitter. You know where to find me. Real Oscar Ramos 1. There's some scammers right there, but this is the one. We'll put this one in the chat right here. There it is. And I'm always posting and pinning and everything. And that's what I've said a couple days ago. We did it. We're back. And CPI data, check. Doing really, really good. So 10-hour Bitcoin consolidation, preparing for CPI data tomorrow, and it broke. It absolutely broke. So, yeah, but guys, I think we're all excited. We're all seeing it, and I couldn't be more happy. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. God bless you all. We did it. Thank you, Emily. Thank you to all the members for watching. Thank you to all the subscribers and viewers. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. Let's go.